Deciding whether or not to become a Warhawk is tough. The checklist for the average freshman is extensive and usually carries questions along the lines of, do they have the right classes for me? Or do they have the major that I want? However, there is one question that carries equal importance. Do students at this university stay on campus during the weekends or go home?
Basically what we do is we like to plan events for students on the weekends, kind of gives them something to do. Every Thursday at 8 p.m. we have an event, so it's any type of entertainment event. We have karaoke sometimes, we'll bring in comedians, we'll bring in live music. On the weekends also we play a movie, so every Thursday at 10 p.m., Friday at 7 and 10 p.m., and Saturday at 7 p.m. we show a movie. Generally we try to find a movie that is not on video yet, but it's not in theaters either, so it's kind of in the middle.
Now, Steele's office is actually right above one of the best places to eat on campus, which is why they took advantage of this extra space for stage comedy and song events. The large flow of students brings in big audiences during the week, but during the weekends there is a significant difference. The student flow tends to decrease after Thursday due to Whitewater's location. The town is directly in between the two major cities of Milwaukee and Madison, and the crowds tend to bring the hustle and bustle out that way for the busy weekends. Other major factors are work schedules and hometowns being so nearby, where students can visit family and friends.
But there still are groups of people that do stay on campus for the different activities or social aspects of it.
But when they do, boy are they in for a real treat. I'm gonna go catch a movie, and all you guys should too before the end of the semester. This is Stacia Kulikowski reporting from Summers Auditorium in the UC.